space, so it's really not that bad. For the first one, it's actually pretty easy. Let me just get Microsoft, what do you call it, whiteboard out. Then I can write and teach at the same time. Here we go. Right. Okay. Let me just get that. Oh wait, no, there it is. There's the window. Okay. Okay. So here in the first one, for instance, right, we have a sandwich shop, and the sandwich shop, right, has, actually, I wonder if I can write. Now, let me just do it this way. The sandwich shop has 3 types of sandwiches, right? Ham, turkey, and chicken. And so what would the sample space here be? I mean, I probably would put more directions in. You know, like for instance, you're choosing a sandwich at random, right? You're deciding on having a sandwich for lunch. You know, so what would the sample space be? So basically, it would just be the set with the words ham, turkey, and chicken. Let me actually see if I can. Let me actually share the worksheet. I'm going to share it as a no. Let me. So in that case, you would have, you know, you would have. I think we said ham, right? Comma. Let me see if everyone can see that. Yeah, you can all see that. I mean, the worksheet you do have in front of you anyway. So you have turkey. You should have it because I emailed it. And you have chicken. So that one is not much to it, I guess. You can think of that as just like a warm-up, I guess, if you want. Okay. So let me now get back to the other one. Okay. Actually see if I can show. So basically, that's what we're going to share. Let me see if I can find the worksheet. Just I don't want to waste too much time doing this. Teaching. There we go. I'm just getting the worksheet from my notes. This, no sample space. There it is. Okay. It's converting it. But for the second one, right? They're telling you that the chess club is deciding to meet for practice, right? There are 3 possible days: Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. So in this case, you could think of the, I guess, the experiment as deciding what day to meet for practice. Okay, there we go. So now I just shared the worksheet. So it might be kind of harder to see. So you may have to zoom in a bit. You know, the zoom controls on the left. So for the, what do you call it? For the work, so for the chess club one, okay? So for that one, they had Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. So you just have 3 days. Pretty simple. Tuesday. I think that's what they said. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Let me double check. So you have Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Means you can see I'm writing it, maybe not the best way, but essentially you're just putting a set in and you're putting in the days here separated by a comma. That's all it is. Let me get to the other thing, sharing files. Okay, there we go. So that was number 2. Can everyone see the worksheet? Okay, we'll do it this way then. Oh, okay. Some people said yes. Okay. Am I going too fast? Anyone? Good. Just making sure. Now let's look at number 3 though. 3 is a little bit different, right? We have the chess club is deciding when to meet for practice, right? Number 3. Actually, wait a minute, I could probably write on this. Sweet, okay. Well, let me not do that. So we have the chess club, they're meeting for practice, right? And the possible days are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, right? The possible times are 3, 4, or 5 p.m. Okay? So here we have two tasks, basically. We have the day to meet and the time to meet. The chess club does, that is. So if we're going to write out the sample space, right, we have two tasks. The first task, okay, would be the day. The second task would be the time. Okay, well, you guys tell me how many outcomes, how big is the sample space going to be? How many outcomes? Anyone? Remember, by the counting principle, you multiply, right? So for the first task, you have 3 days, 1 day to pick, right? So for the day, you have 3 choices. For the time, you also have, right, 3 outcomes, 3 times. So Jillian, you're right, there are 9 outcomes altogether. Okay? 9 outcomes. Because you're multiplying, right? If we were to write that, I mean, let me see if I can write it out. Kind of hard to write it on the whiteboard in what do you call them, Blackboard. So we just stick with, let me stick with Microsoft Whiteboard. Okay, I don't know if we'll do all the examples in the worksheet because I really want to get back to lecturing as well. You know, the PowerPoints, that is. I just figured it'd be good practice for us to do this. So, okay. So here, let me zoom down a bit. Like this. Where's my time? Oh boy. Let me pause the recording. Went over a bit, but that's all right.